Sa'yo.
Sorry.
Birthday mo. Ako na, ma'am. Opo.
Sige, sige.
Ako na pumawak, ma'am. Ay,
Birthday
sige.
wish for myself.
For yourself.
So, of course, my wishes are simple. I want good health and strength for my father. That goes for emotional strength, mental strength, and physical strength. And of course, just to be with my family. That is more than enough for me.
Yung birthday wish mo, hindi para sa sarili mo, para pa sa tatay mo.
Because he needs it more right now. So that's all I'm praying for right now, actually. Mostly for him. Yeah. So that's all. Thank you.
Ano masabi mo sa mga US passport? Pati yun, nag-viral pa.
I don't mind them actually.
Eh, totoo namang...
I'm a Filipino citizen, so I don't have to explain since I'm a private citizen. So, yeah. Thank you.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Ilan taon ka na, ma'am?
I'm turning 21.